Honey and lemon can be found everywhere, both usually used in culinary and non-culinary recipes. Honey is sweet food made from nectars from flowers and produced by honeybees. Lemon or Citrus Limon is grown from a tree. Honey and lemon don't cost you much and you can take them anytime, not necessary only during sickness. Simply mix the honey and lemon into a drink. You can either drink it hot or cold. You can also use them as marinates, make into jelly, additional ingredients in cake, bread and biscuits. So how does honey-lemon combination benefit us? Lose weight. Honey helps to lower cholesterol levels. So if you're high cholesterol and not a diabetic, why not try this method? When you consume honey lemon juice, which is an alkaline food, you will not lose energy and appetite while losing weight. You can either take honey lemon juice in the morning or after a heavy and oily meal. It also acts as tonic drink for digestion. All you need to do is 1. Put 1 teaspoon of honey into a glass of lukewarm water. 2. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, mix and drink. Cure sore throat. This would be cheaper than buying lozenges and you can drink this even when you are not having sore throat. Usually sore throat will lead to itchy throat and cough. Sometimes sore throat is the starting point of getting sick. We get this problem because of too much fried food, chocolate, and drink not enough of water. What you need to do is 1. Combine 1 teaspoon of honey and some squeezed lemon juice. 2. Heat until the liquid starts to bubble. 3. Remove from heat and let it cool, then drink it. Cure cough. Do not cut the lemon and squeeze the juice out. You should 1. Boil a whole lemon in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Then squeeze out all the juice and filter. 3. Add about 60 milliliters of honey and mix well. 4. Take 1 tablespoon for 3 times a day. You can always make some and store in cool and dry place.